Maple, maple, sweet and true, with leaves that turn a golden hue. Pine, pine, green on here, whispering softly, always near. Birch, birch with bark so white, glowing softly in the moonlight. Cedar, cedar, a fragrant tree, filling the air with purity. Rose, rose in gardens so fair, beauty and fragrance beyond compare. Tulip, tulip, colors so bright, dancing in fields, a joyful sight. Daffodil, daffodil, in the spring, a cheerful bloom that makes hearts sing. Sunflower, sunflower, facing the light, bringing us warmth, a radiant delight. Orchid, orchid, rare and fine, a touch of beauty by design. Plants of the earth reaching so high, green and growing under the sky. With roots below and leaves above, nature's gift, a world to love. Boxwood, boxwood, trimmed with care, shaping gardens everywhere. Azalea, azalea, a colorful scene, brightening landscapes lush and green. Hydrangea, hydrangea, blooms so wide, a burst of colors side by side. Holly, holly, with berries red, a winter charm wherever it's spread. Forsythia, golden and bright, heralding spring with cheerful light. Basil, basil, fresh and sweet, adding flavor to every treat. Mint, mint, cool and pure, a refreshing touch we all adore. Cilantro, cilantro, green and fine, spicing up dishes, a savory sign. Thyme, thyme, tiny and strong, helping our health all year long. Rosemary, rosemary, scent so divine, filling the air like a fragrant wine. Plants of the earth, reaching so high, green and growing under the sky. With roots below and leaves above, nature's gift, a world to love. From forests deep to the gardens we tend, plants are the life that will never end.
Let's learn and play together. Do subscribe for more amazing videos.